Children, today I am going to teach you about the different types of teeth. Children, do you observe your teeth in a mirror? You will find that the teeth are of different shapes and sizes. This is because they perform different functions. So they have different shapes. Remember, you will find that the teeth are of different shapes and size. This is because they perform different functions. So they have different shapes. Based on their functions, teeth are mainly classified into 4 types. They are incisors or cutting teeth, number 1. Canines or tearing teeth. Molars or grinding teeth. Premolars or cracking teeth. Let's study about all these 4 types of teeth. We'll go for first one. Incisors or cutting teeth. By the name itself you can understand. Cutting teeth means you have to, it is used for cutting the food whatever you are eating. They are used for cutting and biting off pieces of food. There are 8 incisors in all. 4 front teeth in each jaw, that is upper and lower. So front 4 teeth, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw, they are called as incisors or cutting teeth. You can see the picture of the teeth I have drawn here, incisors, the front 4 teeth. Canines or tearing teeth. Canines are sharp and pointed teeth used for tearing the food. They are present on each side of incisors. So they are next to incisors. There are 4 canines in all. 2 in each jaw, upper as well as lower. So you will find animals like tigers and lions, they have sharp canines. Once again we'll go through. So what type of teeth are canine? They are sharp and pointed teeth, they are used for tearing the food. They are present on both the jaws, each jaw, both the jaws, and they are next to incisors. Total there are 4 canines in each jaw, upper as well as lower. Animals like tigers and lions, they have sharp canines, sharp tearing teeth to tear the animals. Again you can see the picture of canines I have drawn here. Yes, so they are tearing teeth. Now we'll come to the 3rd type of teeth, that is premolars or cracking teeth. They are sharp, broad teeth. They help to crush and chew food. They are present next to canines. There are 8 premolars in all, 4 in each jaw. So once again I will make you things clear. They are sharp and broad teeth. They are not narrow, they are broad teeth, sharp, broad teeth. It is used for crushing and chewing the food. They are present next to canines, and total there are 8 premolars in all, 4 in each jaw. Again you can see the picture of premolar. Yes, so the premolar teeth, it's used for crushing and chewing the food. And molars or grinding teeth. They are bigger, flatter and broader than premolars, used to chew and grind the food. So remember, they are bigger, they are flatter, and they are broad also. And they are used for chewing and grinding the food. There are 12 molars in all. Out of them, 8 grows first and the remaining 4 more molars grow later. So remember, 8 are growing first and remaining 4 they grow later. Herbivores have well developed premolars and molars. You can see again the picture of molar or grinding teeth. So these teeth are big and flat, broader, and they are used to chew and grind the food. Total 12 premolars are there. Out of that, 8 grows first and the remaining 4 they are grown later. You can see the picture of types of teeth. You can see the first 4 teeth. So they are called as incisors. Total how many incisors are there? 8 incisors are there. The next 2 incisors, canine is there. You can see here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total how many canines are there? 4. After that, premolars are there. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and total 8 premolars are there. Upper and lower jaw. Next to premolars, you can see the molars are there. How many molars are there? 3 here, 6 and upper jaw 6. Total 12 molars are there. So with the picture, things are more clear. Now children, I'll give you homework also. Now children, I'll give you homework. You'll draw diagrams of incisors, canines, premolars and molars and make beautiful diagram to make yourself things clear. Thank you.